Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels car. Today we have what I believe is 2016, could be 2017, from the Fast and Furious collection, and it is a premium, which means it has rubber tires, here we go, metal on metal, and real riders. Nissan Skyline GTR R34. And this is a really sharp looking car. It's going to go with my favorites collection. I can't wait to get it out of the package. There's the copyright right there of 2016 Fast and Furious Hot Wheels, and whatever else you might want to read. Get a good look at it right there before it comes out of the package. That is out of there. Let's go set it up over there somewhere. And this car does not need a track because it doesn't really go far with the rubber tires. Look at that right there. You can see that? Wow. I gotta fix that. That was in the package like that. There we go. Perfectly fixed. Alright, now let's take a look at it. Metal on metal. Sharp. All four wheels rolled well. Look at all the painted detail with that too. I like that a lot. Spoiler. Painted taillights. This vehicle is made in Malaysia. See if we can get a nice shot of this. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. It does have some roll to it. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Let's get a good look at the inside there. I don't think we got a good look at the inside. Let's see. There we go. Steering is on the right. I almost forgot to show that. So metal on metal we said, and there we go. Treads on the tires. See those treads? Alright, now I think we got everything. Can't wait to just put this in my case after I leave it displayed in my bureau for a little while. I like it a lot. I love the metallic blue. It's a beautiful color. Please subscribe. And T10 out.